I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Langchain versus Langgraph. We'll dive into their fundamental architectures and explore what makes each framework unique. Langchain offers a broad toolkit for integrating large language models into various applications, providing a wide array of components. Langgraph, on the other hand, specializes in creating more complex, stateful applications with defined computational graphs, allowing for intricate agentic workflows. By the end, you'll have a clearer picture of which tool best suits your project needs. Langchain shines with its modularity and extensive integrations. It offers a rich ecosystem of components, allowing developers to quickly assemble powerful applications. Think of it as a Swiss Army knife for large language model development, providing tools for everything from basic prompt engineering to sophisticated agent creation. Its strength lies in its flexibility and the sheer breadth of its capabilities, making it an excellent choice for projects requiring diverse functionalities and rapid iteration. Langgraph truly excels when you need precise control over complex, stateful interactions. It allows you to define computational graphs with cycles, meaning agents can revisit previous steps or reevaluate decisions. This makes it perfect for building sophisticated autonomous agents or multi-agent systems where iterative refinement is key. With Langgraph, you gain a clear understanding of the execution flow, which is invaluable for debugging and ensuring the reliability of intricate large language model applications. So, which one is better? It truly depends on your project's needs. If you're building a general large language model application, need rapid prototyping, or require broad integrations, Langchain is likely your go-to. However, for highly complex, stateful agentic systems with iterative processes and explicit control over the flow, Langgraph offers the specialized tools you need. Often, Langgraph is used with Langchain, leveraging Langchain's components within Langgraph's structured execution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.